Hi, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. My name is Georgia, for those of you who are new. So recently, I told you guys in my last video, I recently posted a video letting you know that I am doing selling t-shirts on Etsy, and I posted a video showing you two samples that I ordered from Etsy from different shirt vendors, and to give a comparison between the Bella Canvas 3001 and the Gildan 5000. So I see that it was received well, so okay, I'm making more videos. So in this video I'm going to show you where I get my graphics from to place on the shirt. I'm going to give you a paid website and a free website. So let's look at the free website first. For instance, if I wanted some graphics, I'm just starting out, don't really have much to invest, and like I said, don't have much to invest. You want to find some free graphics. One of my favorite places to go is to this website called Pexels. So what I would do now, go over here and I would type in, let's for instance, I want to do flowers. Let's say specifically roses. So you go in and you type in roses. ROSES. Okay. Click on the enter button on your laptop. You don't even have to. You could join if you want to, but you don't have to. You could use it without signing up. So click on roses. I'm waiting for that to load. And here we have images of roses. We have photos, and you have videos if you want to use it in a if you want to do a video or something like an intro or outro. This is for anybody else, but we want the photos of roses. And as you see, we have 14,300 roses to choose from. And some of them you have to just scroll through and choose the one that you find would be a best fit for you to put on the front of your t-shirt. So in the interest of time, what I would do, what I will do in this video is just go back up and pick one of the first ones I see. As you're scrolling through, you would see actually photos, and then you would see graphics and stuff like that. So let's go back up and choose one. There's one that I saw that I'm like, okay, perfect. So this beautiful yellow rose right here. Okay, let me scroll back up to grab it. Why not red? Let's see. Are there any red roses? Okay, this might be a better one. This red rose right here at the top. That's blooming. Let's choose that one. So you'll click on it, and then you could either download it from right there on that picture where you saw the download button, or as you see over here when you open it, you have free download. You will also click the drop down over here, and then you choose what size you want to get the roses in. I usually just leave it at the original. You will download that to your laptop. You would download that to your laptop, and it asks you if you want to just say thank you to the contributor. You could do that. You could give a review or you could give a donation, but it's not necessary. So I would download it to my desktop, and I'll name it Red Roses or Red Rose, and hit save. So that's one website. The next website, that's it's not free. It's paid, but it's a monthly fee, and it's not that, in my opinion, it's not that expensive for the amount of things that you receive for that fee. And that website is Creative Fabrica. In Creative Fabrica, you see you have a choice of getting different fonts. We have graphics, crafts, needlework, oops, crafts, needlework, classes, tool, but we're interested in print on demand. The tool that I focus on right here is the font. If I have a slogan that I want to put on my t-shirt, I could choose different fonts, so you're not going with the norm. And you have a drop down that tell you different type of fonts. And then we have print on demand. So this is the one that I usually come over here, click on it, and it gives you a number of different graphics Computer's acting up today. Give you a number of different graphics that you could put on a shirt. So let's click on it. So let's click on it and see where it takes us to. So as you see right here, print on demand assets, it says with full print on demand, you have access to ever-growing library of designs and fonts ready to be used directly on your print on demand store. And it's true, it's ever-growing because every day I come on here, I see something new. And as you see right here at the upper right hand, it has over 414,000 graphics. So even though it gives you limited when you scroll down right here, even though it gives you limited, and now it's giving you the fonts as well, over 95,000 fonts. To open it up to see more choices on the graphics, you just click here, view all 414,496 graphics. And what happens is that the most popular downloads is actually going to show up on the first page, and that's why you see in certain ones. So for instance, my favorite, we have the 4th of July Independence Day coming up soon, so I downloaded this entire bundle right here, the Sunflower 4th of July bundle, and put it on t-shirts and have it up on Etsy selling right now. We also going deep into summertime. Even though summer is short, you want to get these graphics up right away. So, download them and get them on shirts. So this is one of the other areas that you get a ton of graphics from. And there are times where you may be running out of ideas of what to do or what to make. So this right here, you come over here, you just grab some stuff, put it on a t-shirt and upload it to your not Shopify, to your Etsy store using Printify Print on Demand. Also, these are also covers that you could use on notebooks if you choose to. Of course, we have back to school coming up soon, so you have this whole section of clip art. So the way you would do it is, even though this is downloaded already, let me find one that I haven't downloaded yet just so I could show you how it's done. Let's do Kid Life. Even though I don't have a store geared towards kids, that's an idea. Let's do Kid Life. So you click on Kid Life. This is a cute little bundle right here to go on kids clothing. So when you click on it, it opens up and it tells you have a download button, and it tells you right underneath commercial and full print on demand usage allowed. So you will click on download and download it to a file in your laptop. I'm looking at this right now and I think this would be so cute on some onesies, like little baby onesies between newborn and 12 months, either that or on some pajamas. I have to make sure that Printify like have pajama tops or something like that and put it on here and sell it on Etsy. So the way I would do it is click on download. Okay, if you see down here at the bottom on the bottom left, it's downloaded into a zip file. I'm going to click on open when done. So while we're opening, I'm looking at some of these designs. It could either go on onesies or it could go on t-shirts for little girls. Like I said, a little Miss Sassy Pants, and it has the little leopard print. It's too cute. And over here, we could put this on a boy shirt, one cool dude, and either one. This is unisex right here, Wild Child, and you see the little the zebra print and stuff. So that's interesting. I like this. They see me rolling, they hating. If you know that song, you know that they're trying to catch me riding. Oh wow, this is cute. I'm definitely gonna use it. In my next video, I'm going to show you guys how I go about getting the designs on the clothing item. So it has taken its time to open up. So as you see, these are the files. That's what it looks like. So you have 9 graphics right here that could go on either onesies or t-shirts, depending on where you want to put it on. I'm not sure if they have like our little drink cups or stuff like that. We have to go into Printify and take a look and see. So there you have it, guys. I just wanted to show you 2 places that I get my graphics from in order to do my print on demand business. In the next video, I am going to show you how I go about putting the graphics on the shirt. and other items. So using these two graphics that I showed you, I'm gonna do a mock-up and do a posting using these two, and you're gonna work with me as far as getting it up. Of course, it's gonna be a longer video because I'm doing two, and I'm gonna show you how I go about doing it. So thank you for watching my video. Did I mention the price of Creative Fabrica? I don't think I did. Creative Fabrica is $19 per month. So that's something that you have to consider when you're choosing. But I'm telling you, the value that you get from joining Creative Fabrica is well worth it. So I'm going to leave the link below for both Pexels, which is the free website, and for Creative Fabrica, which is the paid website. So you could go over there and take a look at both of them and decide which one you want to work with, or even if you have your own graphics and want to change the font, not graphics, if you have your own words and you want to change the font, then you have a choice of doing that with Creative Fabrica. In the next video, like I said, I'm going to show you how to go about making your listing and getting it on a product and getting it up on Printify and stuff. But there's one thing that you must always do when you're doing that, and to know what that is so you do not get your account shut down, you need to watch my next video. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. I have a playlist dedicated entirely to Etsy, because as if you're looking at my page, you see that I do also reality TV reviews and also other things, i.e. Shopify, showing you how to post on Shopify, how to get your Shopify store going. So if you're interested in only the Etsy, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you click on the playlist for Etsy shops, and then you'll see all my videos there as it relates to Etsy. So again, thank you for watching my video. I hope this has been helpful. Go ahead and check out Creative Fabrica. Go ahead and check out Pexels, and I will see you on the next video. Again, thanks for watching, and until next time, be sure to take care of yourselves and your family. Bye-bye.